found around the world. Some are very big, some are very small. The elephant is the largest and also the strongest animal living today. Elephants live in the jungle. Elephants look like a huge monster, but we love it the most. Elephants are usually dark green in color. White elephants are found in Burma, Thailand, Laos and Cambodia. Elephants are herbivorous animals. They eat plants, leaves, fruits, shrubs and more. Like human beings, family is very important to elephants. Usually they live in herds. Elephants by nature are very gentle animals. The average lifespan of an elephant varies from 40 to 65 years.
Elephants have a long trunk which can be compared to our hands, through which it sucks water, picks up food, takes bath and also breathes through it. Elephants are very useful to man. It can be trained for many purposes. For example, in the mountains or hilly areas, elephants are used to carry heavy loads. They can lift and roll big logs. Elephants are also used for riding in wildlife sanctuaries. Did you know in olden days, elephants were used in battles and in armies? Elephants are hunted for their tusk, skin and bones which are used to make precious and beautiful items. Some ways to save our favorite and lovable elephants are: protect elephants' habitat, prevent illegal killing, educate ourselves to understand their needs. On 12th August 2016, Indian government formally adopted the World Elephant Day to help conserve and to protect elephants in India and to improve their welfare. Save elephants, save our environment.
Thank you guys for watching our video
And please subscribe it
and don't